Well, still down here at church down here trying to turn this thing on here with the word that outside lights. Put it on heat. It's heat. Automatic. Run up to about 70. They ought to put a control new thermostat on there next year. Programmable thermostat next year. I'm gonna try to. Talk them didn't let me do it. When they get ready to get the air conditioner fixed. Let's see what she fired up, y'all. All right. Nice little tool here to where you push your door switch in at. Oh, there she goes. Well, fan is on. It says heat. See what she fired up. There you go. Beautiful. Beautiful. Now wait for the fan to come on. She's beautiful. Here's the heat. Yep. She's blowing out heat there. So see when it gets hot enough, the fan motor will come on. Yep, she's working. There she go. Y'all, I feel the heat. Yep, she's on. Yep, she's going. Now, let's go up there and see what she cut off. I'm gonna cut her back down to 50. Cut her back down to 50. Well, I heard the fire cut off. Let's go back there and see if she's gonna quit. If she is. That's all I'm gonna do today. I done got hungry. That's all I'm gonna do to her today. I'll come back tomorrow and work on this planet. Woo, it's hot in here. Fan motor just cut out. Flame is out. Yep. She's cooling down. Oh yeah. Man, I'll get ready to cut off here in a minute. I don't know what that why that was for. I ain't gonna even worry about it. What was that? Something. Yeah. There she go, y'all. She's off. She's off. Good deal. Good work, S&E Appliance. Good work. So now we just got tomorrow work on getting the Plymouth hooked back up to this new furnace here. And we're going to have to wait till next year to work on that air conditioner because they're going to have to come up with some more money. But anyway, I'm going to put the filter here. And Call her today. All right, we'll talk to y'all later.